Assalamu alaikum, this is me, my engineer Marifat Shah, and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will guide you people how to calculate quantity of steel in slab. Here you can see I have drawn the diagram of RCC slab whose length is 6 meter and width is 4 meter, and the thickness of the slab is 6 inches. Here our central distance is equal to 150 mm. When you divide it by 100, you will get 0.15 meter. So the diameter of the bar used in this slab will be 10 mm, and there are two types of bar will be used. One is main bar and the other is distribution bar. So what is the main bar and distribution bar? I want to draw the sketch of the slab. So here the width is 4 meter and the length is 6 meter. So I want to draw it, and now you will learn that what is main bar and distribution bars. So here you can see the main bar are those bar which are in the longer direction. So there is longer direction of 6 meter, so these are called main bar or MB. So here I have denoted the main bar as MB. So these are the distribution bar which are in the short span or with direction. So this is called DB or distribution bar. So they are in the width direction. Now we will calculate the main bar length and the distribution bar length. Okay, I will draw in the next page. So there is formula for the calculation of main bar and distribution bar. So here I am writing the formula for main bar length. Main bar length is equal to you can see I draw the sketch. So the length of the slab is 6 meter and the width is 4 meter. These are called distribution bar, and the lengthwise bars are called main bar. So the length of the main bar will be 6 meter. Guys, you can see distribution bar length will be 6 meter and the main bar length will be 6 meter. So here I am writing 6 divided by 0.15. 0.15 is the spacing between the two steel bars. So 6 divided by 0.15 plus 1, you will get 41. So why I am writing the plus 1? So this we are starting from the 0 point. So for this purpose we add 1. So main bar length is equal to 41 number of bars, and now distribution bars will be equal to 4. Length of the bar is 4 and divided by spacing is 0.15 meter plus 1 is equal to 27. You will get 27 number of bars. So there will be requirement of 41 bar in the lengthwise direction, and the 27 bar will be in the width direction. So now we calculate the total length of the main bar length. So 41 is the number of bar and length is 6 meter. So you will got 160. Length is 4 meter. So you will got the 164 meter. Okay. 41 cross 4 is equal to 164 because the length of the main bar is equal to 4 meter. Now the distribution bar length will be equal to 27 multiplied by 6 meter because the length of each bar is 6 meter. So here I am writing the number of bar 27 and the length of each bar is equal to 6 meter. So 6 multiplied 27, we will get 162 meter. So these are the lengths, and now we will calculate total length of the steel bars. So it is very simple. Add these two lengths, 164 plus 162, you will got 326 meter. So 326 meter length of steel will be used in this specific slab. Now we are going to calculate the weight of the steel, that how much the weight of the steel will be used in this specific slab. So first of all, we will draw this formula. This is formula for calculating the unit weight of the steel. So D is the dia of the steel, as the dia of the steel here is 10 mm. So 10 square divided by 162.2 is equal to 0.62 kg per meter. So this is per unit weight or unit length. Now we are calculating for the whole length. So just multiply it with the whole length, we will got the total weight of the steel. So total weight of the steel will become 0.621 kg per meter multiply 326 meter, because total length is 326 meter. So meter will be cancelled out and we will got answer in kg. So 199.5 kg will be the total weight of the steel. So in the market you can see that steel are available in tons. So we will convert in ton. 1 ton is equal to 907.185 kg. So 199.5 will be how many ton? So just divide it by 8, we will get 0.21 ton.